Hi everybody! In today's video, I will take you through the horrifying moments of scary lightning bolts and creepy sounds that I recorded. Let's watch and experience the powerful power of nature together. Surely you will not be surprised and amazed by these majestic scenes. Now, let's watch the video. Lightning is a trace of nature, showing the authority and strength of heaven and earth. In the darkness, lightning flashes like the eyes of the universe, reminding us of the boundless power of nature. Lightning is not only the anger of the sky, but also a sign of vitality and constant change. As lightning splits the sky, it carries with it the sounds of beginnings and endings, of life and death. During the storm, lightning is a symbol of endurance and resilience, shining through the darkest moments. Lightning is a reminder that even in the most chaotic moments, there are moments of clarity and understanding. Each bolt of lightning is a snapshot of the sky, beautiful and terrifying in the same moment. When lightning flashes, the sky seems to be torn apart by bright veins, making us feel like there is a dark force lurking. Each bolt of lightning is a slash of death, slashing across the night and spreading terror into people's hearts. During the storm, lightning appeared like the eyes of cursed souls, carrying the wrath of nature. Lightning streaks across the sky like deep scars, reminding us of the brutality and unpredictability of the natural world. When lightning struck, the ground shook as if trembling before the fury of a terrifying supernatural force. Lightning is not just a flash of light in the dark night, but a sign of chaos and obsession, making us shudder when thinking about its power. Each bolt of lightning is a warning from nature that nothing can escape the cruel punishment it brings. Lightning exploded in the night like an ancient curse, bringing with it the screams of forgotten souls. As lightning streaks across the sky, it leaves behind bright scars, like the traces of an invisible war between nature and darkness. When lightning flashes, it carries a silent threat, like claws lurking and waiting for an opportunity to strike. When lightning strikes, the sound is like the roar of a giant beast, making people tremble and not dare to breathe loudly. Every bolt of lightning is a mark of chaos, carrying with it a shadow of terror and destruction. Oh my God, these lightning flashes like flaming torches in the dark sky, making my heart pound. Lightning was tearing through the night, creating a scene that was both beautiful and horrifying. I felt like I was witnessing the pure power of nature. Every time lightning flashes, the whole sky seems to explode. The dazzling light and deafening thunder make me shiver. It's unbelievable. These lightning bolts create a powerful and threatening dance of light. This scene made me unable to take my eyes off. I feel small before the powerful lightning bolts. They are like warnings from nature about the boundless power that humans cannot control. Lightning bolts were like fiery arrows. They pierced the sky and made the whole space tremble. This feeling is indescribable, both fear and surprise. Standing here, under a lightning-filled sky, I feel like I'm in the middle of a war of gods, with lightning as their weapon. The light of the lightning reflected in my eyes, leaving an indelible mark of the majesty and awe of nature. Standing under the dark night sky, I felt the majesty and fear of nature as lightning flashed across the sky. Each bolt of lightning exploded like a blinding flash of light, making my heart pound and shivers run down my spine. The sound of thunder was deafening, shaking the ground beneath my feet. In that moment, I felt so small before the boundless power of nature, both amazed and scared. This majestic and powerful scene made me unable to take my eyes off it, leaving a deep and unforgettable impression in my heart. Thank you for watching the entire video. Among the lightning scenes we have shared, which scene impressed you the most? Please leave your opinion below in the comments section. We look forward to hearing what you think. Goodbye, and see you again in the next videos.